Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 4, chapter number 17, theoretical distributions. In this lecture, we will summarize the whole lecture. So, focus on summary. A probability distribution also possesses all the characteristics of an observed distribution. We define population mean mu, population median mu, population mode mu 0, population standard deviation sigma, etc. Exactly same way we have done earlier. These characteristics are known as population parameters. Probability distributions or a continuous probability distribution depending on the random variable under the study. Two important discrete probability distributions are A. Binomial distributions and Poisson distribution. Normal distribution is an important continuous probability distribution. A discrete random variable x is defined to follow binomial distribution with parameters n and p to be denoted by x, b and p if the probability mass function of x is given by f of x is equal to p, x is equal to x is equal to ncx, p raised to x, q raised to n minus x for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, n is equal to 0 otherwise. F of x is equal to 0 otherwise. Okay. Additive property of binomial distribution. Additive property of binomial distribution. If x and y are two independent variables such that x be n1p and y be n2p, then x plus y be n1 plus n2p. Definitions of Poisson distribution. A random variable x is defined to follow Poisson distribution with parameter lambda to be denoted by x p of m if the probability mass function of x is given by f of x is equal to p of x is equal to x e raised to minus m raised to x by x factorial for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, infinite is equal to 0 otherwise. Since e raised to minus m is equal to 1 by e raised to m greater than 0, whatever may be the value of m greater than 0, it follows that f of x greater than or equal to 0 for every x. Also, it can be established that sum of x, f of x is equal to 1, f of 0 plus f of 1 plus f of 2 plus is equal to 1. Poisson distribution is known as a uniparametric distribution as it is characterized by only one parameter m. The mean of Poisson distribution is given by m, mu is equal to m. The variance of Poisson distribution is given by sigma square is equal to m. Like binomial distribution, Poisson distribution could be also unimodal or bimodal depending upon the value of the parameter m. Poisson approximation to binomial distribution. Additive property of Poisson distribution. A continuous random variable x is defined to follow normal distribution with parameters mu and sigma square to be denoted by x and mu sigma square if the probability density function of the random variable x is given by f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e raised to minus x minus mu square by 2 sigma square for minus infinite less than x less than infinite where mu and sigma are constant and sigma greater than 0. Properties of normal distribution. Since pi is equal to 22 by 7 e raised to minus theta is equal to 1 divided by e raised to theta greater than 0 whatever theta may be, it follows that f of x greater than or equal to 0 for every x. It can be shown that minus integration minus infinite to infinite f of x dx is equal to 1. The mean of the normal distribution is given by mu. Further, since the distribution is symmetrical about x is equal to mu, it follows that the mean, median and mode of a normal distribution coincide, all being equal to mu. The standard deviation of the normal distribution is given by sigma. Mean deviation of normal distribution is sigma under root 2, approximately 0.8 sigma. The first and third quartile are given by Q1 is equal to mu minus 0.675 sigma, Q3 is equal to mu plus 0.675 sigma, so that quartile deviation is equal to 0.675 sigma on both quartile. The normal distribution is symmetrical about x is equal to mu. As such, its skewness is 0. The normal curve is neither inclined move towards the right, negatively skewed, nor towards the left, positively skewed. The normal curve y is equal to f of x has 2 points of inflection to be given by x is equal to mu minus sigma and x is equal to mu plus sigma. At these 2 points, the normal curve changes its curvature from concave to convex and from convex to concave. If x and mu sigma square, then z is equal to x minus mu by sigma n to 0 1. Z is known as standardized normal variate or normal deviate. We also have p z less than or equal to k is equal to phi of k. Area under the normal curve is shown in the following figure. Mu minus 3 sigma, mu minus 2 sigma, mu minus sigma, x is equal to mu, mu plus sigma, mu plus 2 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma, where first mu z is equal to minus 3, mu minus 3 sigma, z is equal to minus 2, mu minus 2 sigma, z is equal to minus 1, mu minus sigma, z is equal to 0, x is equal to mu, z is equal to 1, x is equal to mu plus sigma, z is equal to 2, x is equal to mu plus 2 sigma, z is equal to 3, mu x is equal to mu plus 3 sigma. Minus infinite minus x, x plus infinitive. Mu minus 3 sigma, mu minus 2 sigma, mu minus sigma, mu plus sigma, mu plus 2 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma. Z is equal to minus 3, z is equal to minus 2, z is equal to minus 1, 0, z is equal to 1, z is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Okay. Mu minus sigma less than x less than mu plus sigma is equal to 0.6828. P minus 1 less than z less than 1 is equal to 0.6828. Probability of mu minus 2 sigma less than x less than mu plus 2 sigma is equal to 0.9546. Probability of minus 2 less than z less than 2 is equal to 0.9546. Probability of mu minus 3 sigma less than x less than mu plus 3 sigma is equal to 0.9973. So probability of minus 3 less than z less than 3 is equal to 0.9973. We note that 99.73% of the values of normal variable lies between mu minus 3 sigma and mu plus 3 sigma. Thus, the probability that a value of x lies outside that limit is as low as 0.0027. If x and y are independent normal variable with means and standard deviations as mu1 and mu2 and sigma 1 and sigma 2 respectively, then z is equal to x plus y also follows normal distribution with mean mu1 plus mu2, and sd is equal to under root of sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square respectively. Standard normal distribution. If a continuous random variable z follows standard normal distribution to be denoted by z n01, then the probability density function of z is given by f of z is equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi e raised to minus z square by 2 for minus infinite less than z less than infinite. Some important properties of z are listed below. Z has mean, median and mode all equal to 0. The standard deviation of z is 1. Also, the approximate value of mean deviation and quartile deviation are 0.8 and 0.675 respectively. The standard normal distribution is symmetrical about z is equal to 0. The 2 points of inflection of the probability curve of the standard normal distribution are -1 and 1. The two tails of the standard normal curve never touch the horizontal axis. Curve never touch the horizontal axis. The upper and lower p% points of the standard normal variable z are given by p z greater than zp is equal to p, p z less than z1 minus p is equal to p, p z less than minus zp is equal to p. Since for a standard normal distribution z1 minus p is equal to minus zp, selecting p is equal to 0.005, 0.025, 0.01 and 0.05 respectively. Z is equal Z 0.005 2.58, Z 0.0225 1.96, Z 0.011 2.33, Z 0.05 is equal to 1.645. These are shown in the figure 17.3. If x bar denotes the arithmetic mean of random sample of size n drawn from a normal population, then z is equal to under root n in the bracket x bar minus mu bracket complete divide by sigma to n01. Exercise set A. Write down the correct answers. Each question carries 1 mark. Question number 1 is a theoretical probability distribution. Theoretical probability distribution. So option A is it does not exist. Option B is exist only in the theory. Option C is exist in real life. And option D is both B and C. So theoretical probability distribution is exist, okay, in the real life as well as in theory. So option D is the right answer, both B and C. Question number 2 is probability distributions may be a discrete, B continuous, C infinite, D A or B. Probability distribution divided into two parts: discrete probability distribution and continuous probability distribution. Okay, so option A and B both are right. So option D is the right answer, A and B. Question number 3. An important discrete probability distribution is option A Poisson distribution, option B normal distribution, option C Cauchy distribution, option D log normal distribution. So in question 3, discrete probability distribution, an important discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution is divided into two parts: binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Then Poisson distribution is an important discrete probability distribution. So option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Question number 4. An important continuous probability distribution. An important continuous, not discrete. So continuous, there are two types of probability distribution. First is continuous distribution and second one is discrete. Continuous divided into normal distribution, and discrete probability distribution divided into Poisson and binomial. So continuous probability distribution, important continuous probability distribution is normal distribution. So option D. Okay. These questions are very easy, but you have to prepare the theory. Okay, so you can easily solve this. Okay, now focus on question number 5. Parameter is a characteristics of A population, B sample, option C probability distribution, option D both A and B. Parameter is a characteristics of A population, option A population. Question number 6. An example of a parameter is option A sample mean, option B population mean, option C binomial distribution, option D sample size. An example of a parameter is population mean. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Question number 7. A trial is an attempt to A make something possible, B make something impossible, C prosecute an offender in a court of law, option D produce an outcome which is neither certain nor impossible. A trial is an attempt to produce an outcome which is neither certain nor impossible. So option D is the right answer. The important characteristics of Bernoulli trials. The important characteristics of Bernoulli trials. A. Each trial is associated with just two possible outcomes. Option B, trials are independent. Trials are infinite. Both A and B. The important characteristics of Bernoulli trials: each trial is associated with just two possible outcomes, and trials are independent. Okay, but trials are not infinite. So both A and B are the right answer. So option D is the right answer for question number 8. Next, question number 9. The probability mass function of binomial distribution is given by f of x is equal to p raised to x q raised to n minus x. B. F of x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. C. F of x is equal to ncx q raised to x p raised to n minus x. F of x is equal to ncx p raised to n minus x q raised to x. The probability mass function of binomial distribution is given by. Okay. This is very easy. Okay. We have used this equation or formula many times. So, can you do this by yourself? Yes or no? Try it. Okay. Okay, let's see. The probability mass function of binomial distribution is given by B. Option B is the right answer. F of x is equal to ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So option B is the right answer. Now question number 10. If x is a binomial variable with parameter n and p, then x can assume any value between 0 and n, any value between 0 and n both inclusive, any whole number between 0 and n both inclusive, any number between 0 and infinity. So here x is a binomial variable with parameter n and p, then x can assume the whole number between 0 and n both inclusive. So option C is the right answer. A binomial distribution is never symmetrical, never positively skewed, never negatively skewed, symmetrical when p is equal to 0.5. So which option is right? Option D is the right answer. Symmetrical when p is equal to 0.5. Now question number 12. The mean of a binomial distribution with parameter n and p is. Mean of binomial distribution, mean is equal to np for mean of binomial distribution. So option A is n into 1 minus p, B is np into 1 minus p, C is np, D is under root of np into 1 minus p. So option C is the right answer. Question number 13. The variance of a binomial distribution with parameter n and p is. Variance here variance sigma square is equal to npq. So here p is equal to 1 minus q. So is equal to n q as it is. Instead of p, write 1 minus q. N q into 1 minus q. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Question number 14. An example of a biparametric discrete probability distribution is. Biparametric discrete probability distribution is, it is binomial distribution. So option A, binomial distribution. Question number 15. For a binomial distribution, mean and mode. For a binomial distribution, mean and mode are never equal, are always equal, are equal when q is equal to 0.50, do not always exist. So in question number 15, mean and mode for a binomial distribution are equal when q is equal to 0.50. So option C is the right answer. Question number 16. The mean of binomial distribution is the mean of binomial distribution is always more than its variance, always equal to its variance, always less than its variance, always equal to its standard deviation. So always more than its variance. The mean of binomial distribution is always more than its variance. Question number 17. For a binomial distribution, there may be one mode, two mode, A, D, A or B. For a binomial distribution, there may be one mode. There may be one mode. So, option C. C. Question number 18. The maximum value of the variance of a binomial distribution with parameter n and p is. The maximum value of the variance of binomial distribution with parameters n and p is n by 4. N by 4. So option B is the right answer. Question number 19. The method usually applied for fitting a binomial distribution is known as option A, method of least square, option B, method of moments, option C, method of probability distribution, option D, method of deviations. Method of moments. The method usually applied for fitting a binomial distribution is known as method of moments. So option B is the right answer. Question number 20. Which one is not a condition of Poisson model? Option A. The probability of having a success in a small time interval is constant. Option B. The probability of having success more than one in a small time interval is very small. Option C. The probability of having success in a small interval is independent of time and also of earlier success. Option D. The probability of having success in a small time interval t plus dt is kt for a positive constant k. So which one is right? Which one is not a condition of Poisson model? So option A, the probability of having success in small time interval is constant. Option A is not a condition of Poisson model. Question number 21. Which one is uniparametric distribution? Uniparametric. Binomial, Poisson, normal or hypergeometric. So Poisson distribution is uniparametric distribution. So option B is the right answer for question number 21. Question number 22. For a Poisson distribution, mean and standard deviation are equal. Option A, mean and standard deviation are equal. Option B, mean and variance are equal. Option C, standard deviation and variance are equal. Option D, both A and B. For a Poisson distribution, option B is the right answer. Mean and variance are equal. Mean and variance are equal. Question number 23. Poisson distribution may be unimodal, bimodal, multimodal, A or B. Poisson distribution may be unimodal or bimodal. So option D, A or B. 23D. Question number 24. Poisson distribution is always symmetric, always positively skewed, always negatively skewed, symmetric only when m is equal to 2. So Poisson distribution is always positively skewed. So option B is the right answer. Question number 25. A binomial distribution with parameters n and p can be approximated by a Poisson distribution with parameter m is equal to np is. Binomial distribution with parameters n and p can be approximated by a Poisson distribution with parameter m is equal to np. A, n tends to infinite. B, p tends to 0. C, n tends to infinite and p tends to 0. D, n tends to infinite and p tends to 0, so that np remains finite. Np remains finite. So option D is the right answer. Now question number 26. For Poisson fitting to an observed frequency distribution, we equate the Poisson parameter to the mean of the frequency distribution. We equate the Poisson parameter to the median of the distribution. We equate the Poisson parameter to the mode of the distribution. None of this. So option A is the right. We equate the Poisson parameter to the mean of the frequency distribution. So option A is right answer. Now question number 27. The most important continuous probability distribution is known as binomial distribution, normal distribution, CHI square distribution, sampling distribution. So continuous probability distribution, most important continuous probability distribution is normal distribution. So option B is the right answer. Question number 28. The probability density function of a normal variable x is given by f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e raised to minus x minus mu minus 1 by 2 x minus mu by sigma square. For minus infinite less than x less than infinite. Option B, f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e raised to minus x minus mu square upon 2 sigma square. 0 less than x less than infinite. Of f of x 1 upon, that is not possible. F of x is equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi sigma e raised to minus x minus mu square upon 2 sigma square for minus infinite less than x less than infinite. And D, none of this. So f of x is equal to 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e raised to minus 1 by 2 x minus mu by sigma square. So option A is the right answer. Now question number 29. The total area of the normal curve is 1, 50%, 0.50, any value between 0 and 1. The total area of the normal curve is 1. So option A is the right answer. Question number 30. The normal curve is bell-shaped, U-shaped, J-shaped or inverted J-shaped. So the normal curve is option A, bell-shaped. The normal curve is positively skewed, negatively skewed, symmetrical, all these. Positively skewed, negatively skewed, symmetrical, all these. Option C, symmetrical. Question number 32. Area of the normal curve. Area of the normal curve. It is between minus infinite to mu is 0.50. Between mu to infinite is 0.50. Minus infinite, mu, infinite. Minus infinite to mu, mu to infinite. So option A and B both are right option. Both A and B, so option D is the right answer. Question number 33. Question number 33. The cumulative distribution function of a random variable x is given by f of x is equal to p, x less than or equal to x. So here the cumulative distribution function of a random variable x is given by f of x, here small x, here capital X. So f of x is equal to p, x less than or equal to x. So option A is the right answer. Question number 34. The mean and mode of a normal distribution may be equal, option B may be different, are always equal, A or B. The mean and mode of a normal distribution are always equal. So option C is the right answer. Question number 35. The mean deviation about median of a standard normal variate is 0.80. So in which option 80 is present? 0.80. So 0.80 is the right answer. Now question number 36. The quartile deviation of a normal distribution with mean 10 and SD 4 is the total deviation of a normal distribution with mean 10 and SD 4 is. So you have to do this question number 36 by yourself. Okay. Question number 37. For a standard normal distribution, the points of inflection are given by. For a standard normal distribution, the points of inflection are given by mu minus sigma and mu plus sigma, minus sigma and sigma, minus 1 and 1, d 0 and 1. So option C, minus 1 and 1. Question number 38. The symbol phi of A indicates the area of the standard normal curve between A 0 to A, B A to infinite, C minus A infinite to A, D minus infinite to infinite. So option C, minus infinite to A. Question number 39. The interval mu minus 3 sigma, mu plus 3 sigma covers A 95% area of a normal distribution, B 96% area of normal distribution, 99% area of normal distribution. Option D, all but 0.27% area of a normal distribution. So question number 39, D, all but 0.27% area of a normal distribution. Now question number 40, number of misprints per page of a thick book follows normal distribution, B Poisson distribution, C binomial distribution, D standard normal distribution. So number of misprint per page of a thick book follows the Poisson distribution. Question number 41. The result of ODI match between India and Pakistan follows. The result of ODI matches between India and Pakistan follows binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, C normal distribution, D B or C. So option A binomial distribution. Question number 42. The wage of workers of a factory follows binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, C normal distribution, D chi-square distribution. So the wage of workers of a factory follow C normal distribution. Question number 43. If x and y are two independent normal random variable, x and y are two independent normal variable, then the distribution of x plus y is. Option A normal, option B standard normal, option C T, D chi-square, chi square. So option A is the right answer. If x and y are two independent normal distribution variables, then the distribution of x plus y is normal. So for question number 42, option C, and question number 43, option A is the right answer. So this lecture is over here. In the next lecture, we will solve the questions of set B. Exercise set B. Okay. So see you soon.